The market is live. It is 2:07 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday the 6th. I just want to show how price action plays out and how we're taught to prepare for a trade. 11:43, Eric posted this in our community in the Discord. If you're looking for any reversals, at least wait for a bounce off of the pink algorithm. So this is 11:43. Price action was right here at the time. So if anybody's looking for a reversal, you have to wait for the pink algorithm to reclaim support. Now, market is live right now, so we are showing the market. 11:43 was right around here. 11:43, right around there. Now, instructions are if you're looking for reversal, wait for at least pink algorithm bounce. 11:43, 1 hour, almost 2 hours before the play materialized, we were prepared for a potential reversal. You see the price action just chopping around. She tried to make a move. Pink rejected. Price rejected at the pink algorithm. Sellers try to make another move. They couldn't even reach their previous low of day. The bulls climbed up again and they breached pink. You don't take the trade yet because you don't know if pink is going to be defense. So we have to wait for confirmation. We see the bulls hanging out above the pink level, and they bring it back down, retrace to the pink algorithm, and now we test what was previously a resistance. We now have breached, come back and tested it as support. That is the entry. That is exactly the play that the coach drew up. Wait for the break and retest. Make sure the pink algorithm is now going to hold as support. That's the entry. And since the entry, price has climbed about 2 points, which is plenty of space to make four figures. The entry, you protect your trade, protect your profits, trim profits, leave runners, and now price has touched the 20-day moving average. The trade is closed. I closed the trade because I don't know if this is going to hold as resistance. I'm assuming she's going to hold as resistance. So I closed my trade. The trade is done. Just want to show you a live screenshot, not even a live screenshot, a live update of the market, how it moves, and how we prepare for the next setup. 2 hours before the play materialized, our coach drew up the play, so we just wait patiently. If anybody is looking for a reversal, that is the confirmation, and you now have eliminated a lot of guesswork. You now have a very clear risk to reward. You enter at the support level of the pink algorithm, so your stop loss could be super tight because you know if it breaches back under, then she's going to be resistance again. But she held. The risk to reward is 1 to 10 easily in this type of trade.